Let's do a Chopper Company boss base. First thing we'll do is attack. We'll take out the airfields. This will be just a few less to deal with, but it'll make a difference, so it's worth it. I'm using 4 Vindicate. No, 4 Mavericks. There's number 2. We got this one. We got this one. Okay, we're going to bring in Dark Storm, some Technicals, and a Cerberus. Okay, put them on hold. Take out. All right, now we're going to bring only the Dark Storm to get him in the shadow. Far enough. Now with our Technicals, we'll take him out. All right, that's good enough. Now we're going to retreat these guys. We're going to bring in escorts. We don't need to do this, but sometimes these guys can be... You got to watch out for this rail. This rail can shoot you. So you got to clear this stuff out. You don't need to clear out everything. I just clear out a little bit right here. Okay, that's enough. That's enough with that. Put him right there. Put him on hold. Bring in my Technicals. Now we're ready to fight. Now we're just going to take out all the air. It's all going to come to us. You can ignore the rest of the base. I think there's probably about 6 of these chopper bosses that we need to kill. Basically, they're all going to go after the Cerberus. Some of them have little red circles that they will kill you with, so you got to be careful of them. So we're just going to take this bad turkey out. Okay, now we just got a whole bunch of copters. One type of helicopter after another. All right. Where are they? I think they come from over here next. We'll find out. Okay, something's going on. This is not normal. Oh, here comes one. Okay. I guess we're just too efficient. There we go. Get rid of this guy. hurry up and wait. Like you see, some of these don't shoot the red circles, and so you don't have to worry too much. Some of them do. The ones that do, just stay out of the red circles. Sometimes I'm successful, and sometimes I'm not. The sooner you can take them out, the better. Stay within the dark shadow, dark storm shadow, and you'll be all right. This guy is going to create little red circles, so we got to be careful of him. Sooner we take him out, the better. That's it. That's it. There you go. So, as you can see, nothing there. Not a lot of damage. Let's take him home. I'll show you how much damage I got. Not a lot. This is the way it should be. My other video, I wasn't as good, but this will give you some idea of a little bit. How much time do we have left? Oh, we got lots of time. We got lots of time. All right, so this guy was damaged before. He doesn't count. This guy gets damaged a little bit. How much damage did we get? 21 minutes. So with 21 minutes, see how fast we can fix that. As you can see, with just this little bit of damage, you really don't have any damage, because you can repair them immediately. We need to have 4 more. No, it's going to take too much time. We have to have less than 5 minutes. There we go. So as you can see, there's not much damage. The dark storm was damaged from earlier in the day, so that one doesn't count. That's it. So there really wasn't much at all. We'll just add the dark storm back in so we can go get another one. So you see, there it is. So we go back to repairing. That's all she wrote.